how to find and use CapCut templates. This is very quick. I'm going to show you how to find and use CapCut templates on your phone and also on your computer. So currently we're starting with a phone. Okay, I just got this notification that say you got spotted, your creativity has caught our eyes, interested in becoming a CapCut template creator, apply now to join community. Okay, I'm not interested in that, right? So I'm going to close it. Now, once you log into your CapCut mobile, I'm using the pro version, so you might be using a free version, but it will work for you either ways. But the only thing there is you have to find a way to remove the CapCut logo at the end of it, the watermark, right? So, and also the top. So now this is it. So we come to this at the bottom, you're going to see edit, template, project, and me. I'm currently in the me section, so we're going to go to template. So once you get to here, you will see for you, and you see the option to search, daily, life, and all that. So I'm just going to go to search. So let's say you're looking for something a little bit interesting, something that you're looking for. Let's say we're currently in the month of Ramadan, right? Ramadan template. You can see there's a template for almost everything. People are creating templates, just like the way you saw the notifications asking me if I want to be a template creator on CapCut. So now I'm just going to click on any of them. I'm just going to pick anyone that you can search for, the one that works best for you, that relates to what you want to create. So I'm just going to pick the first one here. So now, apart from this, if you look at the bottom left, you see how many seconds or minutes this whole template lasts. And you can see on the icon that looks like a video icon, it shows you 12. So you need like 12 images, that is 12 videos or 12 photos to use to create this template. So I'm just going to click on use template. Once I click on use template, so it takes me to my gallery where I can find videos on my phone, and you can also go to photos if you want to use photos. So I'm just going to stick on videos, which I'm not going to go further because I don't want to waste you guys time, because you still have the section for the desktop version. So at the bottom left, you see it says select 21 items, that is 21 images or videos you want to use. Then you see the first, all of this right here is just 0.2 seconds, that's microseconds. Then you have 4 seconds clip, then you have 1 second clip, and all that. So all this shows you how many seconds this can be. And mind you, you should be able to know which of your video clips among these clips right here, you see the one I'm toggling. So you should know which of these video clips or photos in your gallery you want to use to start. So I always advise you guys to first watch the template to understand how the template works. Then you know which image you should arrange first and last, right? Now, on the bottom left, we'll see on the bottom here, you will still see all of this. Now, I'm going to show you or explain to you something. If this is the first time using CapCut templates, then you're welcome to the channel. So I'm going to click on this first one right here. So now, let's say you want to repeat an image or a video thrice, as many times as possible. You can just keep clicking. So you still clicking on the same image or the same video, you're just going to keep going all through, which is going to be boring, right? So that's why you have to mix them, but that's up to you. So once you're done selecting all 21 images or videos you need for this template, you're going to click on next, and you're just going to wait for it to load up, and here you go. Now, this doesn't really make much sense to me, so I will just close all of that. So the next step you should be looking at is text. So you have the option of text in your template. So you can, if you don't want to use the word Ramadan, you want to edit the word Ramadan, you want to put something else like my name, right? On Twitch, you guys should follow me on Twitch, right? Yeah, IMF Hope, or any of the social media platforms. So this is what I want to use there instead of that. So say archive by your name, so you can edit this, or if you don't want this text, you can just delete it from that delete option. Then you see another text here that says moments, right? So it's at the top there. This is it. So you can adjust this, you can move this with your hands, you can move left, right, anywhere you want to move it to, or you can rotate it if you want to make your viewers confused, or you can just delete it. Right, so simple. Now that is how you do this. Now let's go to TikTok. Right, you can also get templates on TikTok. So now you come to here, you can, all right, I'm gonna pause this. You can come to your search icon, which is at the top right, and my recording button is covering it. So we're gonna go up top here, you click on search. So you can just say CapCut templates. So now you can see so many types of CapCut templates. So we have CapCut template English, CapCut template English song, black and white, aesthetics, free, travel, trending, photos, videos. So what are you looking for? So I'm just going to search for CapCut Christmas. It's not yet Christmas, but let's search for Christmas, CapCut template Christmas. So you can see so many templates that has to do with Christmas. So you can just click on any of these and you see the option that says CapCut try this template. Once you click on try this template, it takes you to your CapCut itself. So you click on it again, use template in CapCut with sound, yes. Without sound, you can export without sound. So like I explained at the beginning of this video, the time, you see the clock icon there and 0.00.10 seconds, which is telling you is just 10 seconds long, this template. And how many clips you need for that photo or video is 16. And if you say use template, it takes you to your gallery like we did before, and you already understand all of that, right? So I'm just going to return back. Now another way, I'm just going to give you guys some quick about how I use mine or how I do mine, right? So once I find a template that I like so much that I want to use, so what I just do is I click on the, let's just search for template videos, and we just come for any of them here. I'm just going to pick anyone. So let's say I like this particular template. I just want to click like so I don't lose it. I'll return back. I'm just giving you guys some quick tips on how I go about my stuff. So you come to your profile. On your profile, if you come to your like, you will see all the templates that you like so far. So you can just easily click on try this template. Also with this, also with this. So that is just basically how you can go around using templates on CapCut or on TikTok via your mobile device. Now here we are on the desktop version of CapCut. So we're going to be looking at how we can get the same templates that we just found on mobile version and on TikTok, if we can get them on the desktop version, right? So here we go. So this is on your desktop. You go to the bottom left, on the left side you're going to find home and you find templates. So this template actually represents the templates that we're looking for. So we click on templates, then you see so many templates right here. I'm just going to reduce the volume real quick. So if you come here, you see this. If this is what you want to use, or this is what you want to use, now this is trending online, especially on TikTok. You want to see if you can use any of this. So now I'm just going to pause this real quick right here for you guys to understand how this works. So you need like 14 materials. When they say 14 materials, that is, you need like 14 clips, photos or videos. Now the whole of this is just lapsing for 13 seconds. Now you can forget about all of this. This is how many people have used it, how many people had it to their favorite and all of that. Now once you like this and you want to use it, you just want to click on use template. Now let's say you like it, you don't want to lose it, you want to use it in the future. You just want to click here and you add it to your favorite and you're going to find it later. So you want to click on use template, it's just going to load up and it take you straight to CapCut to make use of this particular template. So I'm just going to give you some few time for it to load up. So here we are. So it says 14 clips to be replaced. So once you click on, you see, sorry, I didn't explain that part. So let's say I'm just going to Control Z. Let me go back again Let me see if I can find it again. So if you say use template, once you take it to this section, you might look confused, like what am I going to do here? So you say 14 clips to be replaced. So all you need to do to replace all of what you see in here at the preview screen is just to click on this, double tap, or just one click, or you come here and click. So once you click on it, it gives you all the stuffs that you need to replace. I don't know if this is clear for you guys to understand. So once you come here, I will employ you guys to first watch the whole clip to understand where you need to replace. Once you're very sure of which clip you want to replace, or you want to put your clip on, you just click on here and it takes you here. So once you click on this place to replace, you need to just drag from here. You have to have images here or videos here. All right, let's not delay on that. I'm just going to drag this to the section. Need to look for some clips to use. Let me see if I can use these photos that I had. So I'm just going to move to this side, this section real quick, and I will drag here. You can see it's being replaced. And I'm just going to do that for all of my clips, all of these clips right now. All right, that didn't come out right, so I'm just going to do it again. I hope this makes a lot of sense for you guys and you guys are understanding it. All right, now you can still, like I explained earlier in the mobile version, you can just repeat same clips if you want them to be repeated. If you don't have enough clips, like I'm doing right now, you can do like I do, right? Okay, here we are. Okay, I'm repeating that too many times now. I just want to do this. Anyway, this is just for tutorial purpose. So I'm just going to play this and let's see how does this make sense. Okay, you see, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was very fast, very easy, very quick. And that deserves a like and a subscribe, right? Anyway, so basically that's how you do it. That's how you go about it. Let me know in the comment section. I hope this helped. If it did, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Thanks for all the supporting.